Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is how to hide the text in Discord. So guys, I will be showing you multiple solutions, so follow along. So for the first solution is you could just simply go ahead and open up the Discord application into your computer. Now, of course, once you are here on the Discord, in order for you to provide a hide message, the first method is adding two bars into your text, and after that, space. And from there, just simply provide the text that is hidden. And of course, provide two bars again at the end. And from here, as you can see, it will look something like that. And when I tap on enter, when this message appears, as you can see, there will be a cover. So this is hidden. Now, if I want to open it up, I can just simply click on it. Now, another method for this one is you can just simply provide slash and then go for spoiler. So from here, you will have a spoiler. So here, after you provided that command, your message will now be hidden. So from here, just simply provide the text that you are willing to hide. And after that, enter, and it will look the same thing as well over here. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.